In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello list color. If you're someone who loves a bit of personalization and enjoys organizing everything neatly, perhaps a visual tweak like changing your Trello list colors will add that extra flair to your boards. Let's get started by heading over to Trello.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page, so the first thing you want to do is look in the upper right corner where the login button is located. Click on that, and it's going to prompt you to log in. Now you have a few options here. You can log in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack accounts, or of course you could use your Trello email address and password. Choose whatever is most convenient for you and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello workspace. Now it's time to locate the list you want to add some color to. Take a moment to browse your available boards and select the specific list that you're aiming to customize. Visual project management is a great way to keep things orderly, and color coding can help you quickly identify different action items or priorities. With the targeted list in sight, the next step involves clicking on the three dots, which you might also recognize as the List Actions menu. This is conveniently situated on the right side of your list. It's a nifty little feature that brings up various options for that specific list, so go ahead and click on it. Now here's where the magic happens. A palette of available colors will appear on your screen. It's almost like an artist's palette, so take a moment to consider which color speaks to you, or best represents your current project or list category. Once you've found the color that suits your needs, simply select it. You may have noticed the palette offers a range of choices, so feel free to get creative. Would you like a bright, energizing color such as yellow, or a calming, serene blue? The choice is yours. And just like that, as soon as you make your selection, you'll notice an immediate change. The list background will switch to your selected color instantly, giving your board a fresh and vibrant new look. Now that you've customized your list with a splash of color, take a moment to admire your handiwork and consider doing the same with other lists to create a visually cohesive and organized board. Remember, using colors strategically can help you visually prioritize and categorize, making your workflow more efficient. That's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your Trello experience just that bit more personal and organized. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.